Imagine this for a second. You're on a quiet mountain road, early morning sunlight pouring over the hills, and the world around you feels calm, simple, beautiful. And behind the wheel is not a big expensive motorhome, not a luxury RV that costs more than a house, but a compact, budget-friendly Dacia transformed into a surprisingly comfortable 2026 motorhome camper. A camper that lets you travel light, spend less, and explore more. Today, we're taking you on a full tour of the all-new 2026 Dacia Motorhome Camper, a model that has shocked the European camper van world with its smart design, practical layout, and impressive comfort, all while staying true to Dacia's philosophy of simple, reliable, and affordable. So settle in, buckle up, and let's see why this new Dacia camper might be the most budget-friendly travel surprise of 2026. At first glance, the 2026 Dacia Motorhome Camper doesn't scream luxury, but it does make a statement: a clean, modern shape, a compact footprint, and a practical design that's built with travelers in mind. The front end carries Dacia's latest identity with bold headlights, sharper lines, and that rugged, confident stance people love. This camper is based on a lightweight platform, making it easy to maneuver, especially for new motorhome owners or couples who want something small but functional. You'll notice the body rises slightly higher than standard vans, thanks to a reinforced roof that includes a built-in pop-up sleeping section. More on that when we step inside. Down the sides, Dacia has added tinted windows, a slim awning rail, and simple black cladding that protects the camper from everyday scratches and stones, perfect for road trips where the adventure leads you off the main roads. And at the rear, a wide opening door gives full access to the storage and utility area. It's not flashy, but it's extremely practical. Overall, the exterior delivers exactly what Dacia is known for: clean, simple, and ready for real-life travel. Now let's step inside, and here's where the biggest surprise begins. The interior doesn't feel like a budget camper at all. It feels warm, cozy, and thoughtfully designed, exactly what a small motorhome should be. When you enter, the first thing you'll notice is the bright, open atmosphere. Soft LED lighting, warm-toned materials, and a clever use of space make the cabin feel much bigger than expected. And yes, even at this price point, there's a proper mini lounge, a sleeping area, a small kitchen, and enough storage for weekend or long-distance travel. The lounge is located right behind the driver and passenger seats, which both swivel to face inward. This instantly turns the front cabin into a small dining or conversation space. The table is simple but functional, foldable, adjustable, and easy to remove when you want more open space. 2 people can sit comfortably, and 4 people can squeeze in if needed. For couples, this becomes the perfect spot for morning coffee, laptop work, or a quiet meal inside when the weather outside isn't great. And the best part is the large side windows that keep the lounge bright during the day, making the camper feel welcoming and airy. Now, let's move to the kitchen, and this is where Dacia really impresses. Despite the small footprint, the 2026 camper includes a compact 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink with a foldable faucet, a 12V fridge and freezer, overhead cabinets for utensils and dry items, and a durable heat-resistant countertop. Everything is lightweight but solid, designed to withstand long journeys. This kitchen won't compete with big motorhomes, but for its size and price, it's incredibly practical. You can prepare full meals, store groceries, and clean up easily. It strikes the perfect balance between compact and capable. Now let's talk about the signature feature of this camper, the pop-up sleeping roof. With a single push, the entire roof lifts, revealing a cozy sleeping area above the lounge. The pop-up mechanism is smooth, well-balanced, and adds a huge amount of headroom to the interior. Inside the pop-up area, you get a comfortable sleeping mattress, mesh ventilation windows, a reading light, and insulated fabric walls for temperature control. This space can sleep 2 adults comfortably with plenty of airflow, and below, the lounge can convert into a secondary sleeping area perfect for kids or guests if you need it. For solo travelers or couples, this layout is ideal. Good storage is essential in small campers, and Dacia handled this surprisingly well. You get overhead cabinets, underseat storage, sidewall bins, a wide rear utility compartment, and a dedicated space for camping gear, folding chairs, and tools. Every inch is used efficiently, allowing you to bring all the essentials without feeling cramped. Some models of the 2026 Dacia camper come with an optional bathroom module, and it's small but useful. It includes a portable toilet, a pull-out shower head, a privacy curtain, and a drainable floor system. This isn't a full bathroom like big RVs, but it's more than enough for quick washes and nighttime needs. For a camper in this price class, this is a major advantage. When you're back behind the wheel, the Dacia camper feels more like a car than a motorhome. Thanks to its lightweight platform, it's easy to drive, easy to park, and very fuel efficient. Features include cruise control, rear parking sensors, hill start assist, stability control, and an improved 2026 touchscreen infotainment system. The ride is smooth, quiet, and comfortable, perfect for long travel days. And the fuel economy is one of the biggest selling points. Compared to larger motorhomes, this Dacia lets you travel farther while spending much less. So what makes the 2026 Dacia Motorhome Camper special? First, it's affordable, truly affordable. While other motorhomes keep getting more expensive, Dacia offers a camper that regular families and young travelers can actually buy. Second, it's simple and easy to use. No complicated systems, no overwhelming panels, everything is intuitive. Third, it's lightweight, maneuverable, and fuel-efficient, perfect for city travel, mountain trips, and long-distance adventures. Fourth, the pop-up roof is a game-changer. It makes the small space feel big, airy, and more livable. Fifth, the interior layout is practical, with a real lounge, a usable kitchen, good storage, and optional bathroom functionality. And lastly, it's perfect for beginners. If you've never owned a camper before, this is the easiest and most stress-free way to start. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think about the 2026 Dacia Motorhome Camper? Is it the perfect budget-friendly travel machine? Or would you choose a bigger motorhome instead? Comment your thoughts below, I read every one. And if you've ever traveled in a compact camper like this, share your experience with the community. The 2026 Dacia Motorhome Camper proves that you don't need huge budgets to chase beautiful sunsets, quiet mornings, and unforgettable road trips. Sometimes, the simplest camper, the one that lets you focus on the journey, is all you really need. Whether you're a couple dreaming of weekend escapes, a solo traveler wanting freedom and flexibility, or a family looking for an affordable way to explore Europe, this Dacia camper might just be the perfect beginning to your adventure. If you enjoyed this full review and want more motorhome tours, travel inspiration, and camper comparisons, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Safe travels, and happy camping!